Have you ever looked at a struggling plant and thought it was beyond saving? Yellow leaves, weak stems, almost no new growth. Before you throw it away, you might be surprised to learn that many struggling plants simply lack the nutrients and living soil they need to recover. Today we'll explore 5 natural fertilizers that gardeners have used for generations to support healthier growth, using simple ingredients you may already have at home. Let's get started. First is compost tea. This nutrient-rich liquid is made by soaking finished compost in water. It contains beneficial microorganisms and dissolved nutrients that support healthy soil and root development. Apply it around the base of the plant every couple of weeks to encourage stronger growth. Next comes banana peel tea. Banana peels contain potassium along with smaller amounts of phosphorus and other minerals. Simply soak chopped banana peels in water for 1 or 2 days, then use the liquid to water flowering and fruiting plants. It's an easy way to recycle kitchen waste while supporting plant health. Number 3 is worm castings. Often called black gold by gardeners, worm castings slowly release nutrients while improving soil structure. They also help beneficial microbes thrive, creating a healthier environment around plant roots. Mix a small amount into the top layer of soil or use it when planting. Fourth is fish emulsion. This organic fertilizer provides nitrogen along with trace nutrients that support leafy green growth. Because it's concentrated, always dilute it according to the product instructions before applying. A little goes a long way. Finally, there's unsulfured molasses. Rather than feeding plants directly, molasses provides simple sugars that support beneficial soil microbes. Mix 1 tablespoon into 1 gallon of non-chlorinated water and apply occasionally to healthy, organic, rich soil. Think of it as feeding the underground community that helps feed your plants. Natural fertilizers work best as part of a healthy gardening routine. Combine them with compost, proper watering, sunlight, and patience, and you'll give your plants the best chance to thrive. Remember, healthy plants begin with healthy soil. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more science-based gardening tips, simple DIY solutions, and practical ways to grow stronger, healthier plants naturally. See you in the next garden.